How to get dark mode on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually get dark mode on TikTok, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to get dark mode on TikTok, all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually open the TikTok application. Once you launch your TikTok app, if I come to my profile page, you can see that I'm currently in light mode. So if I want to switch to dark mode, all I need to do is tap on the three lines icon which you see from the very top right hand side of the screen. Then from the bottom you'll find the option called settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, you'll find all these options where you have to look for the one that says ads or display. And once you look for the option called display, tap on it. You can see two options, light and dark. To switch to dark mode, just tap on dark. And you can see instantly our TikTok app will be switched to the darker theme, just like that. This is how you can get dark mode on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.